Spoken English Kit, a complete set of 24 books, 6 CDs and 6 DVDs for learning and improving your English language with help and support from Urdu language. Spoken English Kit www.spokenenglishkit.com equals a unique set of 24 books plus 6 CDs plus 6 DVDs set. For details talk to us at 9989669261. List of the books in Spoken English Kit. Introduction to Spoken English Kit and how to use the books and CDs and DVDs, guidelines. Book 1 equals parts of speech. Book 2 equals structure of sentences. Book 3 equals word power and vocabulary. Book 4 equals fluency techniques. Book 5 equals parts of speech in detail. Book 6 equals verbs and tenses chart, active voice and passive voice. Book 7 equals formation and transformation of sentences exercises. Book 8 equals sentences of daily use. Book 9 equals basic terminology of English grammar. Book 10 equals classified vocabulary and most common word of daily use. Book 11 equals conversation of daily use. Book 12 equals word power and correct use of parts of speech. Book 13 equals reading, comprehension, understanding, writing, listening and speaking skills development techniques. Book 14 equals paragraphs writing, essays writing, story writing, letter writing exercises. Book 15 equals fluency techniques exercises, group activities and group discussion practices. Book 16 equals pronunciation, accent and phonetics. Book 17 equals conjugation of nouns. Book 18 equals conjugation of pronouns. Book 19 equals correct use of adjectives. Book 20 equals uses of verbs in details. Book 21 equals uses of adverbs in details. Book 22 equals uses of prepositions in details. Book 23 equals uses of conjunctions in details. Book 24 uses of interjections and punctuations in details. Presented by LetusLearnEnglish.com in association with IQRA Educational Academy, Hyderabad, registered by Government of Telangana State, India. A unit of IQRASOFT, registered trademark owned business firm, Hyderabad, TS India. Designed by www Ads Manager, a unit of www.IQRASOFT.com. For more information and details please talk to us at our mobile 99896692619089,669,261 or speak with us at our landline at +910402442211 +910402444211. Send an email at info@letuslearnenglish.com info@letuslearnenglish.com. Please visit our website at www.letuslearnenglish.com. We offer you a complete package. Our CEO Mr. Muhammad Abdul Majid and his support team always welcome you all and wish you all the best. Goodbye. Have a nice day.